Feed PIM has three different product types: product, base, and variant. In this video, we'll go through how to set up bases and variants in Feed PIM and what advantages that can bring. When you have a base product in Feed PIM and enrich it with text and attribute values, those values are inherited by the variants. Inherited values from the base appear in gray, italic text on the variants, and these can be overridden at the variant level. If you remove the information from a variant, the values from the base will reappear. If you have a lot of identical information shared across variants, enriching the base product can save a significant amount of time in product enrichment. Base products are often used in e-commerce to collect information about multiple similar products, where you make selections based on certain attributes to end up with one unique product in the shopping cart. In this example, you can see how a base product is displayed in an online store. An example of this could be a shirt model, as shown here, which comes in several colors and sizes but otherwise shares the same core data. If the drop-down selections or criteria are color and size, then the combination of these two attributes must be unique per variant, otherwise, the web shop won't be able to add the correct product to the shopping cart. If I were to move away from the base divided by variant setup and feed, each variant would instead appear as a single standalone product, and the customer would have to browse through all products to find the right color and size. In addition, you would need to spend more time maintaining master data on each product since single products don't inherit data from another product. Now, I'll show you how to create a base divided by variant connection in the feed. First, I go to Products. From there, I open the context menu and select Create Product or press C on the keyboard. Then, I enter a suitable name and check the box to create it as a base product. Alternatively, I can go into an existing single product, open the context menu, and duplicate it as a base. If you do that, make sure the name is generic for the model and not tied to a single variant. You also need to remove data values that are unique for each variant. For example, product identifiers like GTIN, supplier item number, size, or color. Images that are variant-specific should also be reviewed. Images are not inherited by variants, but you might want to add a generic or lifestyle image to the base product. When you copy a product as a base, the single product you copied from becomes a variant of the new base product. To add more variants, open the context menu on the base product and click Add Variants. Feed immediately applies a filter on products and excludes variants from searches. If you include variants in the filter, you can move variants from other bases into the current base, but this may cause complications in the web shop, so we won't do that here. From here, I can filter as needed to find the products I want to add to this base. I can now choose to select all products from the search results and go to the next page. Pick specific single products, or if the search result only contains the products I want, select Add All Products from Search. To apply the selection, I must click Save. Now I have a base with 20 variants. It's important to remember to set a value for the product number. Without a product number on the base, most systems that support base divided by variant products will return an error when you try to transfer the base to another system.
Feed PIM by ISIS.